We are working now in Module 15, and in this module I want to go over all the options with having to do with views in Excel. There are many different ways to arrange your files, to look at new windows. There's custom views you can set up, and also what we call scenarios. And that's all the stuff I want to go through in this particular module. This is section 1, and I want to talk to you first of all about arranging files. There will be many times when you need to work with more than one file at the same time, and you need to know how to arrange those so that you could properly see them and do what you need to do to get your work done a little bit more efficiently. Let's go ahead and flip over to Excel, and I'll show you how to arrange files. Right now I don't have any files open in Excel, but I do have 4 I'd like to open. I'm going to click on the File tab, the Open option. I'm going to hit Browse, and then I'm going to look for those files. The files that I'd like to open are Hanover, Jane, I've got Monder, and Summary. You can see how I was able to click to the left of each of these and check those off. That way I can open all 4 at the same time. I don't have to open them one at a time, and that's a big time saver. When they're all open, you're only going to see one on the top of the stack. What you want to do is, if you want to open a different one that you know is already open, you just want to flip to it. You can go up to the View tab, and you can see an option that says Arrange All. You're probably going to want the tiled option, but let me just show you a couple of these other ones. I want to show you what horizontal looks like. Now you'll see all 4 files are horizontal on your screen. You can click on the one you'd like to work with. But if I go back to View on any of these, you'll see the Arrange All again, and you can choose Vertical or Cascade. I'm going to choose Cascade just to show you what that looks like. And you can see all the titles are cascaded up here at the top. You could click on the one you'd like to go to. I'm going to go back to Arrange All and just choose Tiled and click OK. And this is the one that allows you to see everything on the screen at the same time. You can see that if you have a lot of files open, that you may not be able to see much of each of these, but you can click in the one you'd like to work on and do whatever it is that you want to do. Let's say, for example, you were trying to copy something. Maybe you were trying to copy this. You could actually just right click and choose Copy, and then you could right click some over here and just paste it in. That makes it super easy to work between files when you have them arranged like this. If you want to close your files that are arranged, you can close them one at a time, and then you choose if you want to save these. When you get to the last one, make sure that if you don't want to close Excel, that you go ahead and say File, just close this way. That way you leave Excel open and you don't have any files open in Excel. That's pretty easy to do, arranging your files so that it's much easier for you to work. Let's go ahead now and flip over to section 2, and I want to show you about the new window option that Excel has under the View tab.